best accessory for the BMW i3 costs £3.50. You can get it from Ikea. Let me show you. It's in here. It's the Samla 20 litre box and it comes from Ikea. Fits perfectly into the front. Puts all your stuff, can fit in there, and it's waterproof because, as you might know, the front isn't waterproof. I put all my stuff in that. Also what fits in, if you feel comfortable carrying it, is a 2 litre spare fuel canister. You get that from motorbike shops. And a yellow vest in a bag just to keep everything from rattling around. I'll put a link down below. They only cost £3.50 next time you go into Ikea. There's an alternative option and it comes from a German guy called Wokeby, and I'll put a link into that as well. He does a really good ceiling top for the front, and he also does a really interesting boot extender that goes at the back instead of where the Rex engine goes, just for battery operated vehicles. And he's just released a really interesting little charging port cover as well. See you soon. Bye.